The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Muskingum County and east central Ohio until 5 p.m. At 4:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was detected near Cannellville and was moving east at 25 miles an hour. This storm is capable of producing hail up to the size of quarters and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles an hour. Locations impacted include Cannellville, Duncan Falls, Philo, Blue Rock State Park, Ruraldale, High Hill. Move into a sturdy building and avoid windows. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.
A severe